This is where we're headed. Today is Saturday, August the 10th. Here on the Zodiac, we're heading up to a glacier, but we're slowing down here to do some observations here. And it's a narrow opening.
Oh, yeah, fixing the
repair shop.
Yeah. Ah.
Meteors. Or snow bunches. Breathe them again.
It's August the 10th and we're kind of fogged in here, so we can't do a hike. So we made a stop here, a little bathroom stop, and stretch our legs and have a look around. But we can't do any hiking when it's foggy because you can't see anything. So I'm going to turn around so you can see everything in back of me here and see all the rest of the folks. And they're back there. We're going to go do something else now, maybe drive around and or visit some other place. We always have plan B and plan C here, so a multitude of plans. I can see I'll probably have to change the battery here pretty soon, but that's the way it goes here. So all right, Ed Gitley signing off. Bye bye. Right here, I don't know if these are bones that I found. I'm going to ask them and see. But just above here, there's a little, like a green pasture here, which is kind of nice. Little greenery here. But you couldn't see this from down where the Zodiacs are because it's blocked by all these rocks. But you can see out there the fog's in, can't really see very much. So there's the rest of our group. Having a leg stretch here. Okay. Well, sun came out a little bit, so we hiked over a very short distance from the Zodiacs to this little creek running down. I guess maybe glacier melt or something here. But nice little creek. And there's some flowers around here and everything too. I'll try to get some shots of the flowers later. But this is a little creek here. It's running here. And it's going out, and you can see there's still fog out there, but it's lifting a little bit brighter. See all the purple flowers down here, quite a bit of them. So as soon as I get a little earth here, where it's not totally rock, get some flowers. So very nice. Okay. Here's some of those purple flowers I was talking about. As you can see here, very nice, growing all along here. And there's water here. There's a little bit of earth, a lot of greenery here. It's really nice. Even has a nice aroma here, right there. Pretty good here. There we go. And we got fog lifting, but still a little bit out there. Okay.